Bedbugs can be a persistent nightmare, invading our homes and disrupting our lives. But fear not, there are effective ways to combat these pesky pests. One of the most natural and non-toxic methods is just freezing them out. If freezing is confirmed as an effective method for bedbugs, it could be a highly valuable treatment during an infestation, especially for treating infested objects such as clothing and linens. In this video, we'll investigate whether freezing and low temperatures can truly eliminate bedbugs. After that, we'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to use cold in a bedbug infestation. So without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Let's get started. Does freezing work for bedbugs? Yes, freezing is an effective method for killing bedbugs and their eggs. Bedbugs are sensitive to extreme temperatures, and subjecting them to freezing temperatures can lead to their demise. Studies have shown that exposing bedbugs to cold temperatures below 70 degrees, or 0 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 4 days can be sufficient to kill them at low life stages, including eggs, nymphs, and adults. Freezing is considered a non-toxic and environmentally friendly approach to bedbug control. It can be particularly useful for treating infested items like clothing, linens, and soft toys that may be difficult to treat with other methods. However, it's important to ensure that the freezing temperature is consistently maintained throughout the exposure period to ensure effective elimination. Remember, freezing is a fantastic supplementary method to tackle bedbugs, but it might not eliminate all the bugs in your home. So, to maximize effectiveness, combine freezing with other techniques such as vacuuming, steam treatments, encasing your bed, and of course, using bedbug interceptor cups. Have you yourself attempted using cold and a freezer for bedbugs? If you have, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to read and respond to them. How to use the cold for a bedbug infestation. Here's how you can use freezing temperatures to tackle a bedbug infestation. Step 1. Identify infested items. Inspect your living space to identify items that are infested with bedbugs. Common items include clothing, linens, soft toys, and other fabric-based belongings. Step 2. Seal the infested items. Place the infested items in sealed plastic bags or containers. This prevents bedbugs from spreading to other areas while you treat them. Step 3. Freeze the infested items. Put the sealed bags or containers in the freezer. Set the temperature to at least minus 17 degrees, or 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or lower if you're able to. It's absolutely essential to maintain the temperature consistently for the treatment to be effective. Step 4. Duration of treatment. Keep the infested items in the freezer for at least 4 days. This duration ensures that all life stages of bedbugs, including eggs, nymphs, and adults, are killed. Step 5. Defreezing the process. After the 4-day treatment period, remove the items from the freezer and let them get warmer at room temperature. After this, inspect the items to ensure there are no signs of surviving bedbugs. Step 6. Dispose of infested items. If you find heavily infested or damaged items that unfortunately cannot be saved, dispose of them properly in a sealed plastic bag outside your home to prevent any further infestation. So, in conclusion, Even though cold treatment is most suitable for treating specific items in particular, using the freezing temperatures as a bedbug control method is not only effective but also safe and eco-friendly. It's a valuable addition to your pest management arsenal against those monsters. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our pest control tips and tricks. And for budget-friendly and natural DIY remedies against bedbugs, be sure to check out our website at CiaoBedBugs.com. Until next time.